Hi guys, let's continue. So in the last video we implemented our dark theme here. Now let's continue with the application. So let's just switch it back to our light theme and then let's go on. So here, first of all, we can improve it a bit here with our color. We don't have to call this every time we check this, So on top here we can just go color and then color, which can be equal to all of this. You can copy that and paste that here, close that one out, and then we can now just copy this color and then paste it here. Then we can do the same here. We can copy that and also do the same down here like that. That one looks much cleaner. So the next thing that we want to do now is to add our bottom navigation here in our home screen. So to do that, just down after this body we can have our bottom navigation bar. Call it bottom navigation bar, and then let's define some properties here. So we have a type, we have bottom navigation bar type, bottom navigation bar type. Let's get the fixed, and then we have a selected color. For the selectable color, we can also just go our color on top there, and then selectable style. For this one, we can say text style. And then the font weight, we can give it a font weight of like W600. And then we can also have current index. Let's initialize it to 0. And then let's define our items down here. So we have a bottom navigation bar item, and then we give it an icon. The first one will come from icons.chart, which is this one. And then what else? Let's give it a label. Let's remove this S here. So our label here is AI chart, like that. You can put a comma here and another comma here. So we can just copy this and then paste it here and paste it just 2 more times. And then here we can get the post.add icon. Then we can label these as posts. Then here we can get the person, and then here we can label it as a profile. Let's add the const modifier. Let's go ahead and run our application and see how our bottom navigation will look. Okay. So we can also add the const modifier here. and let's just wait for it to start running. There it is. We have our bottom navigation bar. So if we click on it, we can see there's nothing happening. So let's fix that. First of all, we have the on top property, which takes an index. So here we can print out this index. Right, so restart again. So when we click here, this is index 0, this is 1, and then this is 3. So now let's try to switch when we click here. So for that, we need to initialize our index here. Let's say int selected index. Let's initialize it to 0. And then down here where we are putting our current index, we can call our selected index. And then let's hot restart one more time. If we click here, we are still not getting anything. So what we're gonna do is we have to set the state here. Set state, we are going to get our selected index and assign it to our current index. Let's hot restart again. So now when we click, we can switch between these. Okay, so this has been successfully done. The next thing is to put our widgets here. When you click on post, we should be able to see post screen. When we click on profile, we should be able to see our profile screen. So for that, we can come back here and then create our screens here. So let's create a new dot file. Let's call it AI chat screen. Let's create another. Let's first create this one. We can type STF for a stateful widget inside here. AI chat screen. That's what we are calling our screen. Let's import the material.dat package, and then here let's return a scaffold, and then let's give it a child on the body. Inside the body, we'll give it a center widget, which will have a child of a text widget, and then we can call this as a AI chat screen for now, like that. So we can just copy this. Oh, actually, let's just copy this down below here. And then let's create another screen here. This will be our posts screen. You can type STF for stateful widget, post screen. Again, we import our material.dat package. and then we are going to paste what we have copied from there. This will be our post screen. Let's create another one. This will be our profile screen. Let's first just import the material.dat package, and then we type stf. This is where profile screen, and then let's paste what we have here, and then we call it our profile screen. So there we go, we have our 3 screens. Next we can close these screens for now, and then come back here, and then let's create the list of our 3 screens. So let's go final list of widgets. We can call them as tabs, which will be equal to our list. So first we're going to say const. Our first screen is our AI chat screen, this one. And then our second screen is our post screen. Then our third screen is our profile screen. There we have our list of screens. So now to show these screens here where we are putting our body, we are going to call our 3 screens, which is tabs, and then we are going to show the screen according to our selected index, like that. So let's just hot restart again. So here we have our profile screen because our index is 3. If we press here, we have our AI chat screen. Press here, we have our post screen. So just like that, we have implemented our tabs and our bottom navigation. The other thing to test is we know it's working in our light theme. Let's go ahead and switch here. So looks like everything is also working in our dark screen, which is good. So if we switch here, our light screen is working. If we switch here, our dark screen is working. So I think that's it about this video. In the next one, we are going to add our application, connect our application with Firebase so that we can start logging in the user and getting our user details and start up with our chatting with our AI. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.